Number 71. A college student earned $5,100 during summer vacation working as a waiter in a popular restaurant. The student invests part of the money at 8% and the rest at 6%. The student received a total of $380 in interest at the end of the year. Part A, we are going to write equations to find the amount that was invested at the 8% account. Be sure to write down what does our variable represent. Well, because we don't know how much money he invests at the 8% account, so that will be our variable. To start with this question, I will just say, let x equals to how much he invested in the 8% account. And then to write equations, let me draw you guys pictures first. We have two accounts, the 8% and the 6%. And you can associate accounts as like banks. That's why I draw these houses. Okay? And right here we know that we're putting X amount of dollars into the 8% account. So let me label X right here. And now we have to think about how much money is the rest. He has a total of $5,100. And he putting X amount of dollars right here. The rest, it must be $5,100 minus X. You can think about it like this. If he putting $3,000 into the 8% account, he must have $2,100 in the 6% account. How did we get the $2,100? Because $5,100 minus $3,000. Okay, this is the X amount of dollars into the 8% account, and $5,100 minus X, the amount of money, goes into the 6% account. Now what? We have to take the percentage into consideration now. First of all, change the percent into decimal. 8% is the same as 0.08, and then 6% is 0.06. To find out how much he can make from the interest, we must do the percentage multiplied by the amount, but then we'll just take 0.08, multiply with X. And then for this part, it will be 0.06, multiply with, I have to use a parentheses right here because of two things right here. 0.06 times $5,100 minus X in the parentheses like this. And then if we add these two together, because this is the interest that he can make from the 8% account, and this right here is the interest that he can make from the 6% account. Total, he will get an interest of $380 from both accounts. So here we have it. This is our equation. That's part A. And then for part B of the question, it says that we are going to solve the equation, and that's the easy part, right? Let's just do it. For this part, 0.08 times X, there's nothing much we can do. Just write down 0.08. X plus, we will have to take 0.06 and distribute it into the parentheses. Make sure we do that. 0.06 times $5,100, it's equal to 306. And then 0.06 times negative X, that's minus 0.06X. And that's equal to 380. And we'll continue to solve this equation. We can combine items here and right here. 0.08x minus 0.06x, that will be 0.02x plus 306, that will be 380. And then of course we have to just minus 306 on both sides. Minus 306 on both sides, cancel this out, and then we will have 0.02x equals to 74. Right, 380 minus 306 is equal to 74. Well, we can just divide both sides by 0.02. And of course, if you would like to use a calculator, go ahead and do so. Then you have to just do 74 divided by 0.02. And that will give us X equal to 3,700. So for part C, we're just going to answer the question in complete sentence. X is equal to 3,700. It means that he invests $3,700 in the 8% account. Well, that's all we need to write down. He invests $3,700 in the 8% account. And that's it for the questions.